hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon for notifications.
Hello friends, this is Ishin Sumkar from Tech ES and you are seeing my channel, YouTube channel Tech ES. And now today in this video we are talking about how you can earn money from using the browsing app, which is the mCent app, and you can browse through it and browse and surf the many of website per day 10 website, and you will get the many points and you can redeem that points to your money. So let's get started. So friends, this is the mCent browser and I already downloaded this application in my phone. So now I open it, and here we are seeing, and I'm logging. Now I create my account with the new, and I will select the language. I prefer English. One, click to confirm. Yeah, we are on the Vodafone and the Maharashtra and Goa, and select your operator and go to finish. After that you can you are seeing that you have the get all points already, and here you can collect the points. After the 1000 points you will redeem rupees 1, and that will money you can transfers to your Paytm account or your bank account. And now here we are seeing that we are getting some options like plus 1000 points, invite a friend. If you invite a friend on this browser or in this application, you will get the 1000 points, and that will your rupees 1. So I leave a link, invitation link in the description, so you can go through it and get the extra point on the registration of this app. And here we can you can get daily 50 points for daily, and if you visit 10 sites in a day you can get 50 points more. And if you open application every day and for 7 days, it will gives you the 750 points. And there are many sites you can browse to this browser and surf sites by this, and you will get the points, and that's you will get many money, and you can also redeem that money. You can also add your bank account to this application or another account. So I will click on view account, and this is my number, and this is my passbook, and you are seeing there is no transactions in that, and I have no money. So I am not completed my 1000 points, so well I am not able to redeem. And you can also try this app and make your points 0 to 50,000. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and share this video amongst your friends and earn money. Thank you.